Everyone. I can't believe this is our 16th week that we've been going through our internships. Um, this week I'm just, gonna kind of wrap it all up with my reflections for myself. Um, I have spent 11 years in this field, doing various different aspects of social work. And while I know that mental health plays into a big role of all of social work, um, it also really, like, this experience really showed me that I've been in a bubble. I've always worked in some aspect of direct care with people with severe and persistent mental illness. I've just always been in a position where I could be aggressed upon. Um, get called names on the daily. It's just been the norm. It started with kids when I worked at a residential facility with kids with autism. Um, and then I've done child protective work. I've done case management. And then I was an office manager for a specialty purpose private school. So I've just always really been so involved in the mental health piece of things and the adult population. In worked in a trauma informed setting. So it really has been, eye opening to me. And while I'm passionate about the work that I do, um, I've found throughout this coursework and then of now this internship and hearing about everybody else's experiences and some things that have gone on in my personal life, I have a lot of passion and ideas and thoughts around working with veterans. And so it's really just like opened my eyes and made me start really thinking about, maybe I want to shift and start gaining some experience with that population and looking more into what mental health services do or do not look like for those who have served our country. So, this experience has been, while I'm so thankful that I was able to use my job and genuinely do not know how I would have swung an internship if I hadn't been able to. Um, I really just it's opened my eyes and it's really started to make me wonder if maybe the burnout that I'm feeling is because I have some passion driven for other areas of social work at this point. And if I'm just kind of over what I do. I mean, I love my job. I love my clients. I love all of those things, but I have been finding um, my patience to be a little short. And so I have all of these feelings and thoughts going through my head, and it's not a place I've ever been before with my career. So yeah, I mean, this experience has been very enlightening. I was able to do a lot of my, all of my job basically counted towards it. I was able to, expand my assessment skills, look further into kind of the diagnosis piece of things, and that's really where I'm excited to get going is starting the coursework around, advanced clinical practices, some classes around diagnosing later on in the curriculum. So yeah, that's kind of just where my head is at. Super thankful for all of you and being able to watch your journeys as you all navigated your internships as well, and hearing about your experiences and how you navigated different scenarios each week and throughout your experiences. So, and also learning about self-care. I mean, I have a lot of thoughts about that too. Just really learned I'm not good at it. I'm trying, just not good at it. which bites me in the butt sometimes. And my family's really stepped up and held me accountable, and my coworkers too. So, it's just, I guess I'm just kind of a jumbled mess and have all these thoughts and feelings, and I'm really excited to have a few weeks off here. I think it's coming at a time that's very much needed. I'm able to kind of last minute take some time off from work around the holiday to be with my kiddo while he's on school break. So I'm looking forward to that, to not have any coursework hanging over my head as well. So looking for a time to refresh and looking forward to moving along in this journey, and I hope and I'm sure that I will cross paths with some more of you again throughout this. But until then, I wish you all the best of luck, and looking forward to the next phase in this. So we will all chat soon. Bye.